a task to come to Nongpoh. So from tomorrow I'll come to Nongpoh. Every day I'll visit all the 60 blocks in 2 months. I will see. But one thing, I'll not be bowed down by this is my friend, this is my relative, this is my wife, this is my daughter. I'll not bow down. I'll stand for the party's interest, I'll stand for the state's interest. That's my commitment. I can assure you that no, I'll not allow anybody to cut or sideline. But James, I'm telling you, I have not joined the party. Those people you have named will be there. Whomever is fit will be there. But we'll have the right team. We'll have a good team. We have Kong Wansuk who have worked for the party more than 25 years. Maybe more than that also, I don't know. But I remember when I went to the party office, she and Deborah said, no money, have to pay the salary. So one day, when Bachas was about to buy the form, so Bachas told me, Pala, let's go to MPCC office. I said, chalo, we went together. And when buying the form for, like I told that day, for 50,000, I gave, that is Deborah who brought the form, sign here. Today I'm here because of Deborah and Kong Wansuk. So we have what I mean to say, we have a good team. We don't have to fight. Everybody has a space. But James, I've experienced, I'm very grateful to Manish ji. I had a review of the defeated states who went for the election. Kerala, Assam. So with that, almost we used to sit 15 hours a day in the computer to review. Then I got lots of experience through that here. I don't come from an organizational background like that, James, like you know. I don't have that much experience. But when you've given me a chance to do a review of 5 states, I think with that, the moment I finish that review, I call, we have here, scientist is here who will be helping us to build a technology here. He is here, he is one of the scientists who is here with his team. We'll have, I wish you stand up so that somebody will see you. So Golden, we don't have to pay him a single money. He was here. We have here all good people within our parties. I know his team is there or not, but all of them from a Congress family. We'll have a good team and we'll deliver. I had no doubts. I've seen people from the West Cassils, many of them are here. Sir, I can tell you that West Cassils, the President Babor is here and his team. They work sometime at 2 o'clock they'll call me. After doing work here and there, a bit tipsy, they used to test